Dear friends, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching new video of hotel. In this hotel, 5 type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. To see more than 100 of reviews of this hotel, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 8.6. Check-in time in this hotel is 11 a.m. and check-out time of this hotel is 11 a.m. If you have checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. For booking or get more details about this hotel, please read description box. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. If you are new to the channel and not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any